yellow jacket nest right here. See that? Very active. Very scary. Good God. Looks like they're flying right at me. Down here, you see some of their nest was dug out already. Yeah, very active. All right, so we just treated this huge yellow jacket nest. They were over here. You can see it's all white now. And I went ahead and just removed some of those board pieces. Look at this. This is their nest right here. This is just some of it. See, they're building on this. You can tell that they've been here for a while too, because check this out. Look how huge this was. This is probably here all summer. Look at that. And then this wasn't the only place they were. They were actually over here too. See this? They were trying to invade, for sure.